Hey traders, in this video I'm going to teach you my number one powerful trading day that I love to trade when I'm getting into the markets. Now the purpose of the video, guys, is to teach you my number one trading day that I like to trade, and hopefully you can see for yourself, do your back testing and see if you like it or not. Okay, this is my number one trading day, and I'm going to use a recent trade example that I did like literally as I'm doing this recording. I'm going to teach you this right now. And hopefully this is going to help you when moving into the markets, all right? When trading into the markets. So anything I just say in this video, guys, is education only. Don't place a trade based on what I'm telling you right now. There's so much more that goes into identifying setups and having consistent profits in the markets. Trading's difficult, guys, right? Trading is difficult. So use this as education to help you with becoming a much better trader. So what is the type of day that I love to trade? Now, the type of day, my number one trading type of day that I love to trade is what we call a obvious standout breakout bar. An obvious standout breakout bar. So this day here, this bar here. Now, an obvious standout breakout bar. What does that mean? Firstly, an obvious. Can you see how this is very obvious, right? It's a very obvious down bar. It's a breakout bar. What does a breakout bar mean? It's actually breaking past these levels of support here. Make sense? Breaking past support, breaking past support. So it's an obvious breakout bar. And it's obvious. It's a breakout bar, means it's breaking down. But also when you're looking at this bar, when you're looking at this type of bar here, not only is it a breakout bar, but it stands out. See how it's a very big red down bar? This stands out. I love trading these type of days. Now again, guys, I need everything else in line with this, but this is a very, very, very powerful. My number one trading day that I love trading is this bar. Now it's not just a big red down bar, right? Again, you need everything in place, but you also need what? You also need it needs to be a bearish down day. So if you have today here, a bearish down day is that the market opens, comes down, we have a big down day through here, the market opens, and we have a high, and then we have a close. It opens and closes in opposite thirds in the market. Makes sense? And as you can see here, this was the high, this was the low, this was a low, this was a low. So it was a bearish because it opened, it was a lower low, a lower low, a lower high and a lower low compared to yesterday's low, and it opened and closed in opposite thirds, showing confidence in the trade. Makes sense? So this is my number one type of trading day. And generally speaking, guys, when you get that type of day and everything's going well for you in that side, this is what sort of things can happen. Again, guys, this is actually just my recent trade that I did recently, and I thought it'd be a great example to help you guys and teach you my number one trading day. And this thing was down almost 8% at one time the very next day. Now, not every single day is going to be like that. Not every single day is going to drop like that. Like you see this big red down bar, which I didn't take because I didn't meet my rules, by the way. Again, you need to have your rules. But this still actually ran down a good 2 to 3%. Now, trading options, you still could have made a 20 or 30% return on that. But I'm not saying trade this day just by itself, guys. But do your back testing, go do your research, and then when you're doing that, what you want to do is you want to see if you agree with this, because a lot of times, guys, in the past, myself especially, I would see a big red down bar there. I'm like, and that would scare the hell out of me. I'm like, oh my goodness, big red down bar. Oh my goodness, it's gone too far. Oh my goodness, I've missed the boat, right? And so again, guys, it comes back to your back testing. But anyway, guys, this is my number one powerful trading day that I love. My number one powerful trading day that I love to trade, because generally speaking, you will get a 1 to 2 day momentum move, and that's all I'm after. And again, guys, it doesn't seem like much, but I got in here literally 5 minutes before the close, because I tried the last hour close, and I got out here, which was actually this morning of doing this recording, and I got out here, and it doesn't look like much, but the option gave me a 77% return. I'm telling you guys that who cares about the return, right? Because I have my losing trades as well too. But I'm just trying to teach you guys, this is the number one type of powerful day that generally speaking, you'll get some follow through the next day. But again, you need to have everything inside. You need to have trend, volume. I need to look at the high time frame. I need all these other rules that come into place. Okay, guys, I must reiterate that. Once again, guys, this here is a big down bar, but I didn't get into that because it didn't meet the rules. This down bar here did because it met the rules. But I just want to teach you guys a powerful trading day. So it's an obvious It's an obvious breakout bar that stands out. So it's obvious. It's a breakout bar because it's breaking down, and it stands out. You can see it's a very, very big red bar. So anyway, guys, there we go. Hope you enjoyed this my number one powerful trading day. I love to trade. If you enjoyed this, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and first link in the description, guys, is I'm giving away literally all my education, all my strategies in 4 weeks worth of free coaching for free. If you qualify, I'm running this marketing test over the next few days. If you're interested in getting all my education, all my strategies, and some coaching for free, literally for free, without a dime, without you actually spending any money, to test it all out, see if it's right for you, then I'm running this over the next few days, and that's it. So anyway, guys, I'll talk to you in the next video.